How to run Facebook ads beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can run your own professional ads on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up facebook.com and sign in to your account. We can create ads on our pages that we have created. So you can create an ad on your business page or maybe an influencer page. So you will simply go to pages and you can see I have 3 pages right now. I will simply open up the page I want to create an ad on. When we create a page, we get a lot of different options on Facebook now. We get our own Meta Business Suite. In Meta Business Suite, we can get our own inbox, planner, publishing tools, news feed, business apps, and ads as well. Facebook has really updated itself and it allows us to create professional ads with a lot of different options and traffic tools. So to create a new ad for a page, the simplest way is that you open up the page and then you will find the promote option right here. Simply click on promote and it will take you to facebook.com/ad center. And in here, we can create our own ads. What I will do now is I will actually open up Meta Business Suite as well in a new window so that we can actually check out our insights and other options. Now, to choose ad type, we get the option of get started with automated ads, or we can create a brand new ad as well. We will start a brand new ad. This is where you create an ad for your page. Creating an ad is really easy, and I will show you all of the different features that we get. This is where you will be able to check the preview of your ad that you're creating. We can simply set audience, we can set our budget, and it's really easy on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing is goal. What results would you like from this ad? So we can simply go ahead and create an automatic ad. This is the option that we got earlier as well, but Facebook is asking you again if you want to change it. Well, we don't want to do that, so we will leave this one. Then we have the main option where we get the ad creative. So in here, you simply add the description for your ad. So I have uploaded this image right here and I have added the description, which is headphones and more. This is what I want to add for now. This is going to be the main picture of your page, but if you want to change it, then you can simply go ahead and do that. You can see this is my page name, then we have my description, we have again the name and the picture. We also have the edit options to edit the page image. We can actually upload a new image if we want to, but I want to go with the same image. Then we have button label. What button label you want to go for? We have this like one. You can go with call now, book now, send message, subscribe, or get code, whatever you want to go for. So I'm going to go with send message because you can send message in order to get price and get information of the product that I'm selling. So you can see right here now the button has been optimized here. You can see right here the button is customized. Now I can go to special ad category. And you can add a special ad category if it's a credit, employment, or housing ad. Well, it's a simple business ad, so I'm not going to check that. Then we have the most important option right here. Most of people actually don't care about this option. Well, this is really important if you want to work on the SEO of your ads and if you want your ads to get more traffic. We need to customize the audience. So we have who should see your ad. People you choose through targeting. So I'm going to do targeting right here. How to do that? We can simply click on this option right here. The first option is selecting the gender, and I'm going with all. You can actually go with a specific gender. Then we have age. So you can select an age group for which your product is actually suitable for. So it's suitable for from 16 to 55. Then we have locations and we can add more than one locations. Keep in mind that add the location where your business actually runs so that people will be able to order. So you simply type in the name of the country or a place you want to add and you want to target people from. Let's say I want to target people from New York. So I will simply type in New York and there you go. So I have actually selected all of the different, countries right here where I run my business. After that, we can simply click on save audience, and this is my audience. I will be able to reach more than 200 people daily. Then we have schedule and duration. You can schedule your ad. So it is going to be running from 14 to 21. That's around about 7 days. But we can increase and decrease the duration of the ad. After that, we have daily budget. So, what is your daily budget? If you increase the budget, then you will see that you will be able to increase the estimated people. But it depends on you. You can simply go ahead and set a budget. So, setting a budget is really easy on Facebook because it gives you freedom to choose any budget, and there's no specific, for example, like we run ads on Instagram and it's like $20 a week. But on here, it depends on you what's your daily limit. The payment methods are really easy. You simply click on add payment method and you can simply add your own debit card, PayPal, whatever you want to add, and you can simply select the currency too. Once you do that, then your card will be added here. Now you have customized your ad, and this is my preview. You can see I can actually check out all previews for my ad. For example, a desktop news feed, mobile news feed, and then we have Facebook in stream videos, and we have mobile marketplace, so all of the different previews. Once you're done with the previews, you can close, and now simply click on promote now option. It will allow you to promote your ad that you have created. You will be able to promote your business and run your own ads. The promote option will allow you to simply promote and grow your business. So for now, I'm not gonna promote the ad because I have just created this for the purpose of the video, but you simply click on promote now and your new ad will be created. If you want to check the insights to all of your ads that you have created, you can simply go to your Meta Business Suite that I opened up in a new window. So we are on ads and you can see this is the page. In our own suite, we get the ads option and I can check the summary for my ads. I can check my audience, the customers that I am reaching. We can also create a new ad by going to business.facebook.com and go to ads. In ads, you will find the option of create ad and it will again take you to create a new ad. The steps are going to be similar to what I showed you. We can simply go to insights and you will be able to check the insights of all of your ads and campaigns that you're running on Facebook. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply go ahead and create ads on Facebook. It's very easy and you will be able to grow and run a successful business. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.